Hello everyone, my part for today's presentation is company background. So, DHL is one of the leading logistic and express delivery companies, known for extensive global network and innovative approach to international shipping. Today, DHL operates in more than 220 countries and territories. DHL serving millions of customers through its division, which are DHL Express, DHL Global Forwarding, DHL Freight, DHL Supply Chain, DHL E-commerce, and DHL Parcel. DHL also has invested in technologies such as automated warehouse, data-driven supply chain optimization, and environmentally sustainable solution. In conclusion, DHL rise from a small document courier service to a global logistic leader reflects its commitments to innovation, reliability, and customer-centric solution.
Hi and good morning everyone. My name is Shalini. Today I will be presenting a short literature review on the role of logistics within supply chain management. Logistics is a key part of supply chain management because it links procurement, production, distribution, and customer delivery. According to Chopra and Mendel, logistics focuses on managing the flow of product, service, and information from the point of origin to the final customer. Menzer and his colleagues also highlight that logistics help companies respond quickly to customer needs through transportation, warehousing, inventory control, and order fulfillment. Over the time, logistics has shifted from a basic support function to a major competitive advantage. This is mainly due to global trade growth, digitalization, and the rise of e-commerce. Technologies such as automated warehouse, robotics, AI, blockchain, and real-time tracking have improved speed, visibility, and accuracy across supply chain while also reducing waste and energy usage. DHL is a strong example of how logistics supports supply chain performance. As a leading global 3PL provider, DHL connects suppliers, manufacturers, and customers through its transportation network, warehouses, custom service, and last mile delivery. Its operations show how effective logistic planning reduce delays, improve reliability, and support strategic supply chain goals. DHL also prioritizes sustainability through its Go Green program. The company uses electric vehicles, route optimization, and carbon neutral shipping to reduce environmental impact. At the same time, it enhances customers' experience with real-time tracking, parcel lockers, and flexible delivery options. Finally, innovation is another major strength of DHL. The company actively tested technologies like drones, autonomous vehicles, and AI-powered warehouse system to speed up delivery and reduce errors. In conclusion, both of the literature and the example of DHL shows how that logistic is not just a background task. It's a strategic function that improves efficiency, strengthens resiliency, supports sustainability, and gives company a strong competitive advantage. Thank you.
Transportation management is one of the DHL's main logistic activities, and the company is focusing more and more on making it sustainable. DHL uses the latest engine technologies and alternative energy sources to move toward low-emission transport solutions. For example, in the UK, they have replaced diesel with hydrotreated vegetable oil, or simply HVO, which is an eco-friendly fuel that greatly cuts down carbon emissions. DHL partners with local groups to boost biogas production so some vehicles can run on clean and renewable gas. These efforts show DHL's commitment to lowering its environmental footprint while still keeping transport services efficient all around the world. DHL transportation isn't just about road vehicles, they also focus on aviation. Even though Sustainable Aviation Fuel, or SAF, is limited, DHL uses it for 3.5 of their fleet's fuel which is better than the industry average. This success comes from strong partnerships and long-term deals with sustainable fuel producers. More than 40% of DHL's pickup and delivery vehicles are electric, and electric trucks are starting to be used on long-distance routes too. These programs help cut greenhouse gas emissions significantly across DHL's transportation network. DHL also gives customers the option to reduce emissions through their Go Green product line, so businesses can choose more sustainable transport methods. The company aligns itself with global climate initiatives like the Science Based Target Initiative and the Paris Agreement, aiming to cut logistic-related greenhouse gas emissions to under 29 million tons of carbon dioxide equivalent by 2030. All of this shows how DHL's transportation team is shifting from a traditional logistic role to becoming a key player in building a sustainable supply chain. Warehousing management is another important part of DHL's logistic operations. DHL keeps investing in building carbon neutral warehouses that focus on being environmentally friendly and energy efficient. These warehouses use the latest technologies, eco-friendly building designs, and improved systems to reduce emissions and boost storage performance. Part of DHL's strategy is planning for future growth and making structural improvements. This helps them keep providing reliable service even when the market changes. By constantly working to improve both cost and operational efficiency across their huge warehouse network, DHL makes sure that the inventory is managed, stored, and distributed in ways that meet customer needs and support sustainability goals. Automation and digital technologies also play a big role in DHL's warehousing. They use data analytics to monitor and improve operations, intelligent wearables to help workers with accuracy, and safety and cooperative robots to speed up order fulfillment. This digital setup helps reduce manual work and makes the whole process more efficient. On top of that, DHL is increasing its use of solar power to generate electricity in its warehouses, which helps improve their environmental sustainability. Some warehouses even meet the European Union's strict energy standards, showing DHL's commitment to measurable sustainability targets. All these efforts are transforming DHL's warehouses from just traditional storage spaces into high-tech, eco-friendly, and customer-focused apps. It's a great example of how DHL combines innovation and sustainability to stay ahead in the logistic industry.
Hi everyone. Today I'll be presenting about three main important logistic activities at DHL, which are packaging, ordering process, and customer relationship management. These three processes are playing a wider role in making sure every parcel reaches the customer safely and on time. For packaging, at DHL, packaging is not just about putting an item into a box. It's a careful process to make sure every parcel is protected through the journey. Before anything is packed, the staff first check the item's condition. For example, if a customer is sending a laptop, they will check if the screen and the body are still in a good shape before sealing it. The type of packaging material used always depends on the product. For fragile products like perfume bottles and glass decorations, DHL will use bubble wrap and double layered boxes. For heavier items such as machinery parts, they may use pallets and stronger containers to avoid damage during transport. Once the packing is done, DHL label every parcel properly. These labels include shipment details, barcode, and important handling instruction. For example, a box containing food products might be labeled as handle with care or this side up. This makes tracking easier and ensures staff know how to handle the parcel correctly. Overall, good packaging helps DHL deliver items safely and maintain customer satisfaction. It also shows their commitment to the quality and reliability. The second is order processing, which is the step-by-step flow that starts the moment a customer books a shipment until it reaches the receiver. The process usually begins when the customer places an order through a DHL website, mobile app, and service center. For example, a small business owner selling clothes online can schedule pickup directly from the app. DHL can check all the details such as parcel weight, address, and delivery service. This helps prevent errors and delays. After checking, DHL generates a shipping label with a tracking number so the customer can follow the parcel's journey in time. When the courier collects the parcel or when the customer drop it off, it is scanned into DHL system and send it to a sorting facilities. At the sorting hub, both staff and automated machine work together to sort the parcel based on the tracking number. This helps determine the correct transportation route, whether it's traveled by van, truck, or airplane. This parcel will be scanned at every stage so the customer will see the updates like depart from facility or arrive at sorting center. Finally, when the parcel reaches the nearest DHL delivery center, a courier picks it up, scan it again, and complete the final delivery to the receiver's home. For the third is customer relationship management. Customer relationship at DHL involve using technology and communication to understand customer better and provide service that match their needs. DHL use an advanced CRM system, which is customer relationship management system, that stores important customer information such as shipment history, deliver preference, complaints, and feedback. For example, if customer frequently ships product overseas, the system will recognize this and may offer them better delivery options, discount, and faster support. Communication with customer is a key part of DHL's customer relationship management. Customer can reach DHL through many platforms such as phone calls, emails, live chat, WhatsApp, and even social media like Facebook. These channels allows DHL to respond quickly, to inquire, and solve problems faster. Customers also receive real-time tracking notification, which helps them know exactly where their parcel is. This reduces worries and builds trust in DHL service. Using feedback to improve service. DHL also uses customer feedback to make improvement. Any complaint, suggestion, or comments are recorded in the CRM system and analyzed. For example, if many customers complain about late deliveries in certain areas, DHL can investigate and adjust the delivery route or add more courier. If customers give feedback about packaging issues, DHL may improve their material and technique used. For business clients, DHL even provides dedicated account manager who help with customized logistic solution and offer regular updates and performance reports. This makes the relationship more personal and professional. In conclusion, these three logistic activities are important to run a company like DHL. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, DHL shows logistics is the backbone of any supply chain by demonstrating how strong logistics improves speed, accuracy, and reliability. In addition, DHL uses automation, digital tools, and global network. These innovations make transportation, warehousing, and order processing faster and smarter. The company also invests in eco-friendly practices by using eco-fuels, electric vehicles, and carbon-neutral buildings. DHL proves you can be efficient and still care for the environment. Sustainability is not a barrier but an advantage. Besides, DHL fosters strong communication and tailored solutions with real-time tracking that improves transparency and trust with their customers. Last but not least, the key strengths of DHL are technology plus sustainability plus customer focus. These pillars are the ones that help DHL maintain global leadership.